Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the Shoppers Fair supermarket building that's going up at the Harbour Plaza. So this is the latest update as to how far the structure has reached. It's supposed to be completed sometime next year. Now there was a building here before that had the supermarket in it, but it was decided to demolish the building and put up a new one, a more modern looking building. So that's what's going on here. And the Harbour Plaza is one of the busiest plazas. It's a lot of work is being done down here now because Harbour is where the Southern Coastal Highway starts. So to get from Harbour to Yalos in St. Thomas, Morant Bay, all the way to Port Antonio is so much easier now. And there's so much development going on this side of the island that with this plaza strategically located right before the highway, they are upgrading it, and it's fully booked out because recently Burger King moved in. You had a Tasty there before, and KFC opened a location down here. So when you have those three stores, I mean, there's no question about if people will come to the plaza. And this plaza also has the three things you need for a successful plaza in Jamaica. You have a brand name supermarket, which is Shoppers Fair. Even though this building is being constructed, they have the supermarket operating in a smaller space, straight ahead in one of those buildings. But when this is finished, you're going to have a new building, a brand new supermarket basically. You have the food stores. You need three things. Build it in a populated area, you need food stores, and you need a brand name supermarket, a large supermarket. This one at Shoppers Fair, a larger supermarket chain in Jamaica. It's going into a brand new building. Food, you have KFC, you have Pizza Hut, you have Tasty, and you have Burger King. Food is covered. I think you have some other restaurants down here too. And then it's built in a populated area. Now, Harbour is one of the largest residential areas in Jamaica. And in addition to the homes that are there, the additional traffic that's going to use this area because of the highway. I mean, that's why they're upgrading the plaza, and that's why all the food stores came in, because it's definitely going to do well. So we're giving you the update. This is the construction of the building, and then we'll fly around and show you what's going on in the plaza. Alright guys, so this project should finish, I think I heard sometime next year, because it's just it's a supermarket, which is a open floor basically. We'll keep you updated, and remember to leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour and have a good day.